What's up, you guys? Jose from Cacao Adventures. We're about 4 hours into our hike in the deep, high Amazon basin. We just want to show you what it takes to get all the way to where the good cacao is at. We're going to take you along for a ride. Hope you enjoy it. I'm Jose Visconti. I'm the founder of Cacao Adventures, and I'm a chocolate lover. Cacao Adventures is a project to bring the best cacao in the world directly to people's hands. So we search for what I like to call the original wild strains of cacao. We started in Peru, where we have a lot of different kinds of cacao, big variation in a very small amount of space. We started in Lima, I think at 5:30 in the morning, hopped on a flight to Chiclayo, then we got in a van, drove like 14 hours, then we hopped on a boat, we crossed the Marañón River, then you gotta hike for, seems like an endless amount of hours. We timed it, it was 8.
Bueno, a disfrutar el destino.
We've endured a lot to get to this pretty remote area, which I've been to before, and this is probably my favorite place in the entire world. You can probably tell by the way we were received. They were all really, really happy that we made it here, and they've been extremely hospitable. And they have the best cacao in the world. The Awajún people are people that are indigenous to the high Amazon basin. They have been isolated for a pretty long time, and they farm what was originally wild cacao, and they use that as their main cash crop. So us buying this cacao from them just allows them to live a better life. They can give their children the education that they want or any necessities that they need. Goyo is a really good friend of mine. He's the leader of this community, and I've been working with him for about 8 years now, on and off. So Goyo is the link between the Awajún communities and Cacao Adventures.
Mi nombre es Goyo Sanchun Antomic. Actualmente dedico en la agricultura y a la vez soy presidente de la Asociación de Productores de Cacao. Nosotros cosechamos todo lo que es mazorcas maduros y luego sacamos la pepa, lo llamamos en grano. Entonces tenemos un cajón de fermentador, entregamos un cacao de calidad.
So why do I go so far to get this cacao? Because it's worth it. Because the further we get away from roads, we're gonna get to some better cacao, because distance makes the difference. It makes a difference in the final flavor. It makes a difference in the communities we work with. And honestly, it's way more fun. This is the Marañón type, and it's a pretty rare kind of cacao. You have to be very intentional in farming this.
You just don't find this fruit. This is like a hybrid of two kinds of fruits. Some unique form of cacao that can't really be classified into one single variety.
I feel fulfilled to do this kind of work. And the basic thing is chocolate makes you happy. Cacao makes me happy. I want to bring the world my favorite thing and to show them what we've been able to accomplish. It's a whole village that's behind this product.
That's why we come all the way out here. People think I'm a little exaggerated. I don't care. I'm gonna eat cacao where I know the good cacao's at.